Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside Google Forms, sign into the account that owns the form and open it. Once the editor appears, immediately click the specific question or section where the picture belongs. You'll see a small image icon on the right of the question or in the toolbar. Click it to begin. If you need more options, use the three-dot menu next to the question. This first action targets the exact place you'll update so you don't change the wrong item. Once you click the image button, choose your source. Upload from device, drive, photos, URL, or camera. Uploading is fastest for local files, while drive or photos helps reuse stored assets. After selection, preview the image. Make sure the subject is centered and readable at smaller sizes. If needed, crop or rotate before confirming. Also add alt text for accessibility. This helps users with screen readers know what the image shows and improves overall form clarity. Click Insert to place the image into your chosen question or section, then drag or use the question menu to reposition. If you need a different file, choose Replace Image and pick another source. Once inserted, immediately preview the form and check Mobile View to ensure the layout works across devices. If the new image doesn't appear, clear your browser cache or reload. Also verify Drive image sharing permissions so respondents can see it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.